Let's talk about icons. Icons are more than just symbols, they are representations of something much larger. They carry with them a sense of nostalgia, a connection to memories, and a feeling of familiarity. The Big Mac isn't just a burger, it's a legend. It's a symbol of fast food culture, a beacon of comfort food that has stood the test of time. From its unique sauce to its double-decker structure, the Big Mac is a masterpiece. It's a masterpiece of fast food engineering. And today, we're going to reverse engineer it right in our own kitchens. We'll break down each component from the sesame seed bun to the special sauce and recreate it step by step. This isn't just about making a burger, it's a culinary experiment. We're diving into the science of flavors and textures, aiming to replicate that iconic taste and feel. It's about understanding what makes the Big Mac so special. Can we capture that unmistakable taste at home? I believe we can. With the right ingredients and a bit of patience, we can create something that rivals the original. It's a challenge, but one that's worth taking on. Our mission: build a homemade Big Mac that honors the original and gives us the satisfaction of saying, "I made this." There's a unique joy in crafting something with your own hands, especially when it's something as iconic as the Big Mac. We'll follow the blueprint, but use our own hands and tools. Each step will be a testament to our dedication to recreating this fast food marvel. From the perfect bun to the exact ratio of ingredients in the sauce, every detail matters. Every step, from mixing the sauce to searing the patties, matters. It's about precision and passion. The sauce, with its blend of tangy and sweet, the patties, cooked to perfection, all come together to create that familiar taste. The magic is in recreating something so familiar, paying attention to the details, the layers, the textures, the flavors, all must align to bring the Big Mac to life in our own kitchens. It's a journey of culinary discovery. This is more than a recipe, it's an adventure into the DNA of a classic. We're not just cooking, we're exploring the essence of what makes the Big Mac a beloved icon. It's a deep dive into culinary history and innovation. By the end, you'll have a delicious, towering burger and the pride of building it yourself. It's not just about the end result, but the journey and the skills you gain along the way. The satisfaction of creating something so iconic is unparalleled. Let the Big Mac experiment begin. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will test your skills and reward your taste buds. Let's dive in and create our very own homemade Big Mac. Every great build starts with the right materials. Whether you're crafting a skyscraper or a sandwich, the foundation is everything. And when it comes to the legendary Big Mac, the magic begins with the simplest of ingredients, each one playing a crucial role in the final masterpiece. The Big Mac's genius is its simplicity. Common ingredients, extraordinary result. There's no need for rare spices or hard-to-find produce. Instead, it's about how these everyday items come together in perfect harmony, creating a flavor that's instantly recognizable and loved around the world. For the patties, you'll want 1 pound of 80/20ths ground beef. This ratio gives you just the right balance of juiciness and flavor, ensuring your burgers are tender but not greasy. Divide the beef into thin, even patties. Remember, the Big Mac is all about those classic stackable layers. For the buns, you'll need 3 sesame seed buns for every 2 burgers. That's right, each Big Mac gets its signature middle bun, known as the club layer. This extra slice of bread isn't just for show. It adds structure and soaks up all that delicious sauce. Now let's talk toppings. Finely chopped white onion brings a sharp bite, while shredded iceberg lettuce adds crunch and freshness. Thin dill pickle slices offer a tangy kick, and a slice of classic American cheese melts perfectly between the warm patties. The special sauce is where the Big Mac truly sets itself apart. You'll need mayonnaise, French dressing, sweet pickle relish, yellow mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Each ingredient brings a unique note, blending into that iconic, creamy, tangy sauce we all crave. For 2 burgers, gather 1 pound of ground beef, 3 sesame seed buns, half a cup of shredded lettuce, a quarter of a white onion finely chopped, 10 to 12 thin pickle slices, and 2 slices of American cheese. These precise amounts help you recreate the Big Mac's signature proportions. For the sauce, measure out half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of French dressing, 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, and half a teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Mixing these together is like unlocking the secret to the Big Mac's flavor. Before you start cooking, prep everything in advance. This is called mise en place. Having all your ingredients measured, chopped, and ready to go makes the assembly process smooth and stress-free, just like a pro chef in a busy kitchen. With your ingredients ready and organized, you're set for a successful build. This attention to detail is what separates a good burger from a great one. There's no need for exotic items or fancy techniques, just smart assembly and a little bit of care. The Big Mac is proof that greatness can come from the basics. Let's check our inventory, make sure nothing's missing, and get ready to build. Double-check your list because every component matters. Now, with everything in place, it's time to crack the code and bring the Big Mac to life in your own kitchen. Now the most mythical part, special sauce. In a bowl, combine half cup mayo, 2 tablespoons French dressing, 1 tablespoon sweet pickle relish, and 1 teaspoon yellow mustard. Add half teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Whisk until smooth and uniform. The secret is in the ratios. Don't skimp on quality mayo. Once mixed, cover and refrigerate for at least an hour. Overnight is even better. This resting time lets the flavors meld into that signature taste. When you first mix it, you'll taste the parts. After resting, it's pure Big Mac magic. This is the code cracked, the legendary sauce made from scratch. Simple but essential. The sauce is the heart of the Big Mac experience. Don't rush this step, let it chill while you prep the rest. You're one step closer to the real deal. Sauce done. With the sauce chilling in the fridge, it's time to turn our attention to the true star of the show, the patties. These are the engine of the Big Mac, the foundation that gives the burger its unmistakable flavor and satisfying bite. Getting the patties just right is what separates a good homemade burger from a fast food masterpiece. Start with 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef. That ratio means 80% lean meat and 20% fat, which is the sweet spot for juicy, flavorful burgers. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions. This will make 2 double patty burgers, just like the original. Gently shape each portion into a ball, then press it out into a thin patty. Make them a little wider than your buns because they'll shrink as they cook. Don't overwork the meat, handling it too much can make the patties tough. For perfectly even patties, place each ball between 2 sheets of parchment paper and use a heavy pan or burger press to flatten them to about 1/4 inch thick. This ensures they cook quickly and evenly and gives you that classic Big Mac look. At this stage, resist the urge to season the meat. Adding salt too early can draw out moisture and make the patties dense. Instead, keep them plain for now and get ready to season as they hit the heat. Preheat a griddle or a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. You want it hot enough that the patties sizzle the moment they touch the surface, but not so hot that they burn before cooking through. Carefully lay the patties onto the hot surface. That sizzle is the sound of flavor being locked in, as the outside starts to develop a delicious crust. Now's the time to season. Sprinkle a generous pinch of salt and a little black pepper on the top of each patty as they cook. This way the seasoning stays on the surface, where it can create the best flavor. After about 1 to 2 minutes, when you see the edges turning brown and juices bubbling up, flip the patties. Immediately season the other side so both surfaces get that savory kick. Let them cook for just another minute. Because these patties are so thin, they cook lightning fast, no need to press down or fuss with them. You want them juicy, not dry. Once they're done, transfer the patties to a plate and let them rest for a minute or 2. This helps the juices redistribute so every bite is tender and flavorful. For each burger, stack 2 of these thin, flavorful patties. That double layer is the Big Mac's signature move, giving you the perfect balance of meat, sauce, and toppings in every bite. The goal here is simple: patties that are fully cooked, juicy, and have that irresistible fast food style crust on the outside. It's all about texture and flavor. With your patties ready and resting, you're set for the next step. Let's move on to the buns and start building the ultimate homemade Big Mac. Now the foundation, the iconic 3-part bun. For each Big Mac, you need a top, crown, bottom, heel, and a middle, club bun. To get the middle, slice the bottom off a 3rd bun. Toast all 3 pieces, cut side down, on a griddle until golden brown. No butter needed. Toasting adds flavor, texture, and keeps the bun from getting soggy. Don't overdo it, you want a light crisp, not croutons. Warm buns make the burger experience better. Never use a cold bun. Lay out your toasted buns for assembly. The bottom bun is your base, the middle bun separates layers, and the top crowns your creation. This structure gives the Big Mac its signature look and stability. With buns prepped, you're ready for the final build. The anticipation is real. Let's assemble. Time for the grand assembly. Start with the bottom bun. Spread a generous layer of special sauce. Add chopped onion and shredded lettuce. Place a hot patty on top. Now the cheese, place a slice on the middle bun, then set it cheese side down on the first patty. On the middle bun, spread more special sauce, add more lettuce and onion, then the pickles. Top with the second patty. Finish with the sesame seed top bun. Don't press down, keep those layers distinct. Step back and admire your homemade Big Mac. You've engineered a classic from scratch. The only thing left, taste test. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Every layer, every bite is a result of your craftsmanship. This is more than a burger, it's a build. Savor it. You did it. Want to go next level authentic? Here's a secret. Rehydrate your onions. Soak finely chopped white onion in cold water for 15-20 minutes, then drain and pat dry. This mellows the flavor and gives that classic McDonald's texture. The result, soft, mild onions that blend perfectly with the sauce and lettuce. It's a subtle tweak, but you'll taste the difference. Sprinkle these onions on your burger and notice the upgrade. This tiny step brings you even closer to the real deal. Try it, you'll be amazed. The final polish on your masterpiece. Every icon has an origin story, and the Big Mac's is pure ingenuity. In 1967, Jim Delegati, a McDonald's franchise owner in Pennsylvania, invented it for customers craving a bigger sandwich. He faced resistance from corporate, but persisted. The original names, Aristocrat and Blue Ribbon Burger, didn't stick. The name Big Mac came from a young secretary, Esther Glickstein Rose. It debuted at 45 cents and was an instant hit. Its popularity spread, and by 1968, it was nationwide. The Big Mac's success came from the ground up, a builder's innovation. Delegati created not just a burger, but a cultural icon. Its design has barely changed in over 50 years, a testament to its brilliance. That's the story behind the legend. You've built your own Big Mac, take a bite. The verdict? Homemade is better. You know every ingredient, controlled every step, and tasted it at its peak. No heat lamps, no travel, just fresh, crisp, juicy perfection. The best part, you can customize it. Add bacon, swap cheeses, you're the builder now. Make it a group project. Cooking together is half the fun. The memories you make will make the burger taste even better. This is more than a meal, it's an experience. You've demystified a legend and made it your own. Fire up the griddle, gather your ingredients, and build the best Big Mac you've ever had. Homemade always wins. Enjoy your masterpiece.